Hey guys. Alright, so I'm gonna make a quick little video. I'll try to do a little pull. It's kind of hard for me to record and do a pull in Mexico at the same time, so I'm just gonna rely on the sport setting to give you a perspective of how it feels. But it should be quite fun. Trying to get on the highway in Mexico here. We're gonna do a roll from probably 80 and just pin it. See how fast we can get it to. Alright, so we got about 80 kilometers an hour and flooring. Next time.